Hey guys, this is Coach Mars here. We're going to teach you some neck stretches which can be helpful for you to get relieve the stress of your neck. Come on, let's see the side to side stretches. See, you just need to interlock your fingers. Just interlock your fingers like this. See this? Interlock your fingers, press your palm heel and pull your shoulders completely down so that your shoulders will come back. You will have that neutral posture of your spine, and now start doing the movement. Your right earlobes trying to reach the right shoulder and the left earlobes trying to reach the left shoulder. You need to imagine an arch, making an arch. Come on, let's go. Slowly watch your exhalation and inhalation. We need to focus on your breathing. Come on. Slowly and slowly to the other side. Just fall in love with the moment. Let's go for the neck stretches. That is up and down neck stretch. See, it's going to be trying to touch the sternum with your chin and trying to reach your upper back with your head without compensating the spine movement. So maintain the same posture as I told you before. Interlock your fingers with your palm heel and pull your shoulders completely down to maintain the posture, and you can do the movement like this. Come on, try touching the rear head to the upper back and try bringing the chin to the sternum. This is how we do the neck stretches. Okay, this will be a greatest relief for you guys if you have a neck pain. Doing this, if you feel uncomfortable, please make sure you visit your doctor. And let's go for the half circle. So this is how we do the half circle. See, your chin making a half circle along with your collarbone. It reaches the sternum and again it slides through the another collarbone like a half circle. Just imagine a half circle. Your chin from the right shoulder and slides all the way to the collarbone and comes to the left shoulder. Yes, this is how we have to do the half circle neck stretches. Okay, then we'll slowly progress to the full neck. So you need to keep your hands little wide. Just make your fist completely tight, holding it tight, and stand straight up to have a good movement with your neck. The same, you need to focus on making a circle with your chin. Make a clockwise circle and anti-clockwise circle. Make a clockwise circle and anti-clockwise circle. Hope you guys are enjoying this. So try doing this counts 10 reps initially. Start with 10 reps initially of 1 set or 3 sets, and just drop your comment and let us know how you felt after this. Thank you guys.